Welcome to Daily Dose of Dallas. I am doing tin dendrite. I think it's that. Dendrite, tin dendrite. And you need sodium whatever. Sodium this. And I'm gonna put the word down here. Tin chloride and liquid soap. And a cap. And a petri bin. It's hard to find. And there's two of them. Oh, and these things. AAA, 4 AAAs.
Battery pack.
And these wires.
For electrical current, right?
Yeah, red and black. See, red and black. Okay, let's get started. Now, take this thing here. And for this. Let me see. No matter what, I can't get it. It's closed, actually.
So we open it by popping.
Bam!
Bean. Oop. There we go.
Okay, that's it. Now we got this. And storage cap. You twist it out. It's secure. I told you it wasn't.
All right, let me open
Good?
it up.
Oh my god, it's all in my hand. Well, good thing we have gloves. See, my mom could get wet by this thing. Whatever that thing is. Whatever mixture that is. Oh, when she opened the cap, 2 drops came out.
Okay, pour it on the petri dish.
Whoa. That's it.
Move it around a little bit. The petri dish.
This one's open.
Whoa. Why is it on one side? Okay, what else do you know?
Liquid soap, 2 drops. Can I do this one? Something.
One more,
Oh, this is a good one.
Right.
Ah.
Got it? And then you got it.
Yeah. Whoa. Now we connect.
You need to. I think you could take off your gloves now, Dallas.
Yeah, I need to spray more. Gloves. Other gloves. You do this. This is the hardest one. I'm moving around. Stop. Oh yeah, black is the hardest part, honestly. It's so hard.
It does keep rotating around.
No, it's not. I'm guessing why didn't they just put the
You want
whole
this
thing?
one?
So, I told you it was so hard. I did it. Okay, the red is my favorite. The black, not. Well, yeah. It's happening! Hurry! It's happening already! Hurry! It looks like it's breaking. It did that already. Whoa, it looks like a crack. What's a dentite anyway? Oh, look on this. Oh, a metal tree. Whoa! It's making me want to touch everything. It looks so good. Come on, touch it. That looks like a crack through the petri dish.
Yeah, it's like the petri dish crack.
Oh no, the petri is cracked. It's gonna spill. Okay.
Let's see without the lens.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop moving the tree.
That's without the lens.
This is with the
Oh,
lens.
it's much of a difference.
You want to see?
See with the lens?
Yeah.
Without the lens. I think I see better without the lens.
Yeah, it's closer. Did you just grow more while you're talking?
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk more so that it'll happen quickly. Look in different areas so that it'll happen more quickly. Did it grow?
You look away and then it grows a little more.
It's going on. But at first it was growing really fast. Did it just grow again? God, that's so cool. How is it doing that though? It's cool.
It's a chemical reaction.
Oh man, that's a big crack in the petri dish. Oh, good thing we have a new one. Let's take out the mixture and put it in there. Oh well, it's gonna bring that. What would you if you unplug this thing? Will it still grow? Like will it stay there or vanish? That's what I'm wondering. When it's fully grown, I'm gonna figure that out. So cool, I wanna move it again. Let's move it again. Cause look at that. It's so cool. It's not really metal though. It doesn't look metal. Oh, it's almost to the end. When you look very closely, you can see it growing.
Oh, and there's black ends that are coming from the red side.
Come on, buddy, you can do the
Let's
race.
see what happened. Wait, don't touch. Oh, it's turning darker. You see that, Dallas? The parts that are closer to the red, it's turning black.
Mhm. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Reach the finish line.
I think it did already. That's
Yeah.
why it's turning black. Because it's coming back the other way.
The black is coming the other way.
The black is coming towards the black.
The
Black line.
The black wire.
Yeah.
The black is coming to the black.
The black right here is coming towards the black.
Come on, you can reach it, buddy. You can reach the finish line. Can it?
It's making all the little branches.
It is?
You see each line has many little lines on it.
Mm. Oh my god, this is making me want to touch it again. This is so cool. We keep on looking it and it looks more cool. So that's what happens when you look at things, very cool things. You want to touch it. You want to touch everything, right?
I think it's pretty done. Might grow a little bit more, but it's pretty cool, Dallas, right?
I want to take it. Oh my god.
Silly girl. Let's see how the hedgehog is doing, huh?
I see it's big.
You think? Oh, wow. Let's see.
Check out our other video of when we started the hedgehog to find out more about the hedgehog.
It looks like...
Let's look at that. That. So that
It looks like a crystal fortress.
Let's see. Oh my! I'm gonna put that in my room. Seriously, I need to put that in my room when it's full. When it's fully grown, I need to put it in my room.
Did this one change a little?
Oops. I got an idea.
Shame on you. Yeah, I think that's all it's gonna do.
That is very good. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe. Bye. What?